Today's lesson is on graphing linear equations in slope-intercept form. After today, you will be able to derive the equation y equals mx for a line through the origin, and the equation y equals mx plus b for a line intercepting the vertical axis at b. First, we're going to look at our key idea for intercepts in slope-intercept form. The x-intercept of a line is the y-coordinate of the point where the line crosses the x-axis. It occurs when y equals 0. The y-intercept of a line is the y-coordinate of the point where the line crosses the y-axis. It occurs when x equals 0. Now for slope-intercept form. An equation written in the form y equals mx plus b is in slope-intercept form. The slope of the line is m, and the y-intercept of the line is b. For our first example, we're identifying slopes and y-intercepts. Find the slope and y-intercept of the graph of each linear equation. For A, we have y equals negative 4x minus 2. We can write this in slope-intercept form, and we would have y equals negative 4x plus negative 2. Now we can find our slope and y-intercept. Our slope is the number in front of x, so that would be negative 4. And then in our equation we have y equals mx plus b. b is our y-intercept, and that would be negative 2. For b, we have y minus 5 equals 3/2 x. First we need to add 5 to each side so we can put this in slope-intercept form. So then we have y equals 3/2 x plus 5. The slope is in front of x, so the slope would be 3/2. And then we have y equals mx plus b. b is our y-intercept, so that would be 5. Now we have an additional example. You can pause the video and try it on your own, or you may follow along. Find the slope and y-intercept of the graph of the linear equation. We have y equals 3x minus 7. First we can put this in slope-intercept form. That form is y equals mx plus b. So we would have y equals 3x plus negative 7. Our slope is going to be the number in front of x, so that would be 3. And our y-intercept is b, and that is the end of our equation because we have y equals mx plus b. So our y-intercept is negative 7. For our second example, we're graphing a linear equation in slope-intercept form. Graph y equals negative 3x plus 3. Identify the x-intercept. So the first step is to find the slope and y-intercept. In this problem, the slope is negative 3 and the y-intercept is 3. For step 2, the y-intercept is 3, so we can plot 0, 3 on our graph. 0, 3 would be right here. Now we use the slope to find another point and draw the line. The slope was negative 3. So our rise would be negative 3 and our run is 1. So we could go over 1 and then down 3 to get our next point. Our next point then would be right here at 1, 0. From 0, 3 we could also go down 3 and then over 1. That would also work to get this point. The line crosses the x-axis at 1, 0, so the x-intercept is 1. Now we have an additional example. You can pause the video and try it on your own, or you may follow along. Graph the linear equation and identify the x-intercept. So for this problem, we have y equals x minus 4. First we can put this in slope-intercept form, and that would be y equals x plus negative 4. Our slope for this problem would be 1, because there actually is no number in front of the x, so we know if there's not a number, it's a 1. And our y-intercept is going to be negative 4. We can use this y-intercept to help us graph. This would mean that we would plot the point 0, negative 4. So if we're here at 0, we don't go left or right because our first number is 0, and then we would go down to negative 4, and we'd make our point. Now our slope is 1. It's positive 1, so if we go up 1, then we're going to go to the right 1 to make sure it's positive. From there I can go up 1 and then to the right 1 again. Then I can go up 1 and to the right again. I can go up 1 to the right again. And I can keep doing this to help me make my line. Up 1 to the right again. And now I think I have enough points I can make my line. I'm going to put arrows on each end to show that it goes on. And now I want to look and find the x-intercept. So I'm trying to find where this line crosses the x-axis. I can see from my graph that it's going to cross the x-axis at 4. So my x-intercept is 4. Don't forget to fill out your notes, and remember to watch the video again if needed.